My name is Terry. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Welcome back to my old subscribers. Well, everyone is new. Thank you guys for following me along on my journey. I am just enjoying this winter break. I am close to my 30 days. I said I'm gonna stay out for 60 days, but I'm close to the first 30 days. Didn't think I would last, but I am still out here. I am planning to head to the Tampa RV show. I'm planning to try to be there Wednesday. So, yeah, continue to follow me on my journey. Let's finish this walk. No turtles. There you go. They're gonna close this park, I think January 31st. So from February to August 2025 this year, this park will be closed. I'm not sure if it's the campgrounds that's gonna be closed, they're revamping, or the whole park. I'm not sure. I'll find that information out when I leave. But yeah, I'm on this hiking trail here. It's all spooky. We ain't going down there. And we ain't going down there. We gonna stay on higher grounds here. We gonna stay on higher ground, you know. Because yeah. Oh no. Snakes. Oh. Oh wow. We finally have a nice day. It's not hot, but it's good enough to walk and not be cold. So I'm gonna take this walk. Today my little last day here. And we'll be checking out tomorrow. What you see? She smells something. This is my second time here, and my husband tried to fish off of here. There's nothing. He didn't get anything. I don't know if it's fish in there. I can't say. But he didn't get anything that day. He didn't get anything that day. No. Oh no. Don't go down there, girl. I don't want no gator eating you up. Oh no. We're gonna stay from down now. Okay, which way do we go now? Oh, now they're talking about spiders, signs for spiders. What's really going on? I am really out here. Oh. Let's go this way. That don't go to nothing. Let's go this way, baby. I'm not sure if my dog's supposed to be on this walking path, but I'm gonna play dumb. What you see? Why you stopping? Girl, come on, don't be stopping. Shoot, get gone. Let's get on from over here. Are you okay? Why my dog stopping? Come on. She don't want to go. What you... Come on. Is she all... I think this may be hurting my dog's paws. I'm not sure. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Come on. What's spooking you? She usually not scared of stuff, but I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with her. I don't know, guys. Oh, this is cool. Oh, how cool is this? Okay. Ooh, how beautiful is this? Ah, we're going in circles. Come on. Oh, this is nice. That's what I'm talking about. Sun always brings joy. Much to see here. Gonna loop around. Let me just go back the way I came. Alrighty. And me and my dog is off. She's ready to go anyway. I did good. I did that walk, guys. Some pretty long walks. I'm gonna head back. Put my glasses on so I can see. Me and Sassy made it back. We made it back to the walking trail. We walk our way back to the camp. I thought that was a long walk, but it wasn't. We got back quicker than we did going, but that's okay. We did it.